Welcome to my video. My name is Dawn. Today is gonna be a day in my life and I have a lot planned today. I have an interview right after I get ready, and then after that interview, it should only be like 30 to 45 minutes. It's with a really cool organization that's all about empowering women in technology and engineering and science. So I'm excited about that. And then I have to call Louis Vuitton to see if they will take me and my mom in to go shopping. We're gonna just see if we can, because my sister and I gave her a check to buy a bag for her birthday, and then if we can do that, I have to get ready for that. Oh, I have a dentist appointment today as well, and then I have to do a workout, and if I have enough time, I will be cooking a meal. I'm 23 and I don't know how to cook. If we're not able to go to Louis today, I'm gonna edit my videos. I'm only doing this video because it was recommended by Izzy. Shout out to Izzy, thank you so much. This is gonna be a project going forward, and hopefully I can keep up with it. This interview is freaking me out just a little bit because they might ask me some questions in Korean. My Korean is not at that level. I haven't been getting sleep, but I start work tomorrow at 6 a.m. so that's gonna be fun. I love when you get a new mascara and everything is perfect about it, you know? The one I'm using right now is the mini milk that we got in our birthday kits from Sephora. 네, 감사합니다. 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 박정선, 박다운. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god, I did that. The interview went really well. I botched the Korean part, I'm not gonna lie. It's a really difficult dialogue to do in a different language that you're not like strong in. They're gonna edit it and then let me know. Organization is called SWIST, Society for Internationally Trained Women in Science and Technology. Instead of going to Louis Vuitton today, which kind of is helpful because then I can rest my bank account, I decided to create an appointment online, and it looks like they have an opening at 11 a.m. so we will do that instead. I have this like separate screen and I've been using my tiny ass computer, and I have a sick mouse, so I'm gonna see if I can just edit on this setup. Oh my god, COVID. Jackson and I just got off the phone and we talked about what I could potentially make for dinner tonight. We're gonna go hardcore and try to do a dish called bosam. I think it's like a braised pork. I don't really know what it is in English, but it's one of my favorite dishes in Korea. So we're gonna go shopping for that after my dentist appointment. Hopefully I'll make it in time for my 5 p.m. workout class. The workout is like a dance class, so it's super fun and I'm really excited about it. It's like the one thing I look forward to every week. My mom made me lunch, so we're gonna go eat that and then I'm gonna continue to edit. Wow. Oh my god, I'm so full. Oh, so yummy. I'm gonna set an alarm so I know when to leave. Okay, time to go to the dentist. I am gonna put some socks on and we're gonna be off we go. Ooh, I like my hair like this. I won't be able to film me driving, so I will see you at the dentist. I feel like if I could just strap you down, it'll be good. I do have tape. This is perfect. I guess it is a little distracting. I just tried to park my car and I can't because the spot makes me nervous and my windows were fucked. I'm gonna try again now because why not? I have 15 minutes, so here we go. I did it! Okay, I literally can't get out of my car, but whatever. I thought the most stressful part of my day would be the dentist. The worst part of my day has been parking. So I have my workout from 5 to 6. That means I'll start cooking at 6 and hopefully be done by 7. Jackson's here. We're trying to figure out whether or not we should just order food.
I look like a weirdo.
I was doing some more digging and I decided to go with a different recipe. I'm gonna translate the recipe and try it out.
Look at the new hat. Just that's too embarrassing.
Yeah, you can wear my pink one. Apparently something is here for me.
It's the police. Open up.
Hi, thanks so much for waiting. I'm Dawn. Thank you so much.
Did you send yourself flowers?
No, this is from my interview people.
Your birthday today?
No, it's people who interviewed me today.
Oh.
Thanks, Gwen. So kind. I'm actually so in love with the flowers. I'm gonna put them in my room. They're gonna light up my life. Okay, we're going to TNT.
You sure I'm singing? Yeah, get these ones.
Oh, cream puffs. Oh, gotta get the elevator. No. Hi, sorry I'm late. I need to set up my phone, so I will be a minute. But you guys can get started.
Okay,
They're so cute.
everyone else good? Ready to go?
Okay.
Now that I've done my workout, I literally only did my workout for like 20 minutes, but I sweat. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, so Jackson usually cooks, but today I'm trying to cook, and I'm just gonna flip these pickling. Add pork, onion, ginger, garlic, soybean paste, and brown sugar. I got this. I got this. I don't have enough counter space. This is a huge clove. How big this guy is. I have hazelnut coffee.
작은 거부터요.
I think Korean people wash pork. How to rinse
Pork belly. This is a 3-layered pork belly. So there is some bones inside.
Gotta cut the bones out. Oh, she literally just washed it. I finished cleaning up. I also just flipped the napa cabbage again, and I was telling you that they are not getting softer, so I don't really understand how anything can get softer within 2 hours, but we will see. Jackson, how do I cut it? Jackson, how do I cut it?
Hey, baby. Nice.
Thank you. Like that? It's like so soft. Is that cooked?
Yeah. Dinner. The rest are too thick.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like I did a good job.
Mmm.
Is it good all together?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Wow.
Very good.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm gonna spend the rest of the night snacking maybe and just trying some desserts that we bought. Winding down, watching some Schitt's Creek.